Hey there, beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for a natural way to brighten and rejuvenate your skin, you're in the right place. We're diving into a quick and easy DIY face mask that uses ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: coffee, honey, and water. This mask is perfect for giving your skin extra level glow. Let's get started. First, take a clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee is an excellent exfoliant. It helps to remove dead skin cells and boosts blood circulation. Plus, the caffeine in coffee can help reduce puffiness and inflammation. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to lock in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated. It's also packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, which can help in reducing acne and improving overall skin texture. Finally, add just a little bit of water to make a smooth paste. You want the consistency to be thick enough so that it stays on your face without dripping. Mix everything together until it forms a nice, even paste. Now it's time to apply. Make sure your face is clean and dry. Using your fingers or a brush, gently apply the mixture all over your face, avoiding the eye area. As you apply, you can massage it in circular motions for about a minute. This helps the coffee to exfoliate and the honey to penetrate deeper into the skin. Leave mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax, grab a book, or just chill out. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more natural skincare tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you try this coffee and honey mask, let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.